Singapore's Chinatown is a vibrant neighborhood filled with historic shophouses, modern eateries, and hip bars. This area is full of life and must-visit spots including Ann Siang Hill, Club Street, Amoy Street, Duxton Hill, Keong Saik Road, and more. Ann Siang Road and Club Street are closed to traffic on Friday and Saturday evenings, creating a buzzing atmosphere, with crowds spilling onto the streets, and maybe even drinks. For foodies seeking a quick bite or after-work drink, Amoy Street boasts a variety of dining options. Avoid the crowds at Amoy Street Food Centre and explore the street's restaurants for a memorable lunchtime experience. One more place for you to explore is Keong Saik Road, which used to be a red light district in the 60s, but now it's a buzzing neighborhood filled with local eats, French food, Italian cuisine, and cool bars. It's located near Chinatown and has plenty of things to do, from checking out the hottest food spots to admiring the wall art in the area. There are many interesting places to explore and experience in Chinatown. When visiting Singapore, be sure to add Chinatown to your list of must-see destinations.